this video, we will look at reading courses that contain book links. Book links are chapter books that are designed to help your student love reading. They are included in both the textbook course and video courses and come as a novel and guide. Here in Reading 3 video course, we can see there will be 2 of them. On the course planner, they have been added to the lesson plans at the end of each semester, but they can be done at any time. Book links are considered part of the curriculum and included in the 180-day lessons. You, as the parent, can modify the lesson plans and move both to the end of the year. Click on the title of the book link. Click the Move button at the top and scroll down to the end of the course. Find the last book link and hover over the white space as seen here. Notice there are 2 options. You can decide what order you want them in, but we're going to move the selected lessons to before. Scrolling back up, we can see they are both at the end of the course. Notice that the first book has different lesson day numbers. These are set by default and won't change, but the Hub will make the transition through the lessons as you have set here. Continue scrolling up to the top and click the Save and Reschedule button so the system will save these changes. On the course planner for Reading 3 textbook course, we can see the book links are already placed at the end of the course. This time we want to move this one to the middle of the year. When moving these, just make sure to choose the beginning or ending of a unit. If you choose it at day 90, you will be in the middle of Unit 3. Here we choose to add it before Unit 4. Once you have made the changes you want, scroll to the top and use the Save and Reschedule button so the system will save your changes. For video courses, the activities have been included in the student handouts and will also have a link to print from the lesson overview. For textbook courses, the lesson plans and activities for these are included in the reproducible guide that came along with the novel when you purchase the textbook kit. The Hub allows you as the parent to choose when to use these resources and offers you the flexibility to modify the lesson plans to fit your students' needs.